Hello guys, and today I'm with my little sister. Animal Jam Playwild has had a Halloween update, and we've just been playing some whatever you call it. What's it called?
Games.
Yeah, Halloween games.
And I
And
really like them, and I'm really good at them.
you're not that good. You're not as good as me though.
So I got a
And
werewolf's tail and a werewolf.
Leah, no one cares.
mask.
Now I'm gonna go to Dreamland Township. They haven't added much yet. Might be getting a voucher tomorrow so I can buy some stuff. Make a video out of that. Time to go in. Yeah. Time to play Super Switch.
It's that right there.
Yeah.
I'll watch you.
Okay.
What's this on the? It says pants on a battery.
Oh my god, can you turn on the light in my room, please?
Okay. I can see the light. Yeah, that was this.
Oh no. Time to use heart.
What? You need a roof. You need to move it.
Leah, don't start singing in the middle of the video, please.
Oh yeah, you need to move it.
You're not a good singer at all.
Ha ha ha.
I do not feel well today. And no one probably cares.
Well, you never care if I don't feel well.
And I'm probably gonna make a very bad example of me dying in this unless I don't get a heart soon. Because I'm pretty good at this game. Sometimes.
I'll do it.
No. Leah, don't touch. Yay!
What do you get?
I don't know. Oh, yay, werewolf mask.
I got the same.
I know, and I don't care.
I hate ya. I hate ya. Stop making me get on now.
Realize we're recording.
I don't care.
Guys, like the video if you like Leah's horrible singing. I'm joking. Just like the video if you like her singing.
And give it a big thumbs up.
Yeah, that's exactly the same thing. Oh, Jesus, I don't want to go there because I don't want to waste my heart.
Give it a big thumbs up.
And I don't do YouTube for money because my mother won't let me have an account. Because my cousin says I will never get any money for it. So my mum's not going to make me an account, which is really annoying. Because I want to earn money too, you know. I want to save. But she won't let me have an account.
And she is a boring mom ever.
She's not boring, Leah.
Well, she's annoying.
She's not that annoying, Leah. She's only trying to stick up for us.
What does that even mean?
How do you not know what that means? Well, I suppose you're only 6, so I don't care.
I'm not 6, I'm 5.
Well, you're nearly 6. Triggered Phantom!
Corey,
What?
I don't know why you can actually go on a video when you're doing that. Because I can't do it.
Yeah, but like Leah, you can talk.
But I can't do a video. I love it. Too.
Whee! How about you watch me play and like see if like you can like
You're
spot.
recording?
I know, but you can spot like the Halloween candy that I need. I need the green Halloween candy.
The green, the green, the green.
Oh yes, take that big gas
Do
Phantom.
this one.
Oh no. Oh no. It's not good. Flip.
Oh shit.
Leah, don't say that.
Well, you are.
This is not an adult channel, Leah. There's like 100 and something children watching this. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Yep, I'm dead.
Well, Corey is a little bit bad at that.
Leah, just be quiet. It's only because there was a massive phantom. And I didn't have any sweets, like matching sweets near the heart.
Okay, do the yellow ones.
Yeah, I need the yellow ones.
So,
Everyone hates phantoms, but sometimes they're actually pretty cool.
I know. Sometimes they're cool, but I don't know if the Phantom's costume is going to come yet.
You mean the phantom set, Leah?
Yeah.
Guys, leave a comment below if you know the phantom set's coming or not. I'm not sure. They better bring it back, because I would like to get it, because last year I got it and then I traded it. And I can't remember what I traded it for either.
For like a really rare thing.
No, I don't think it was for a really rare thing, Leah. I think I got scammed out of it, actually.
Yep, you did.
But I don't care anymore.
Yeah, because you're going to get another one. Every single year. And you're not going to let anyone scan that, because every day you're going to be on it. We're going to be doing another channel someday.
Leah, I've already got another channel on my phone. But I don't upload on it. Most of the time. Oh my god, look how low he is. Yay.
She won.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yes!
You got the same werewolf ones.
Except yours are blue.
Stop kicking me.
Sorry. Someone traded me a werewolf. Wow. What's with people in the werewolf stuff now?
A lot of people want
Ooh. Oh, I like this deer. Look. Oh, that's so cool.
That's a witch.
I know. And they did a perfect job of it.
And I just pulled
I would love to get the new Halloween set. It looks really cool.
Then what is the new Halloween set?
It's like a Grim Reaper or something.
Kids, if you want to go on Animal Jam, go on it now.
Somebody trade me. Oh my god. Greedy people. I am dying inside 'cause I don't feel well. Yeah.
What?
Boom! Take that, Phantom.
Look, Corey.
No, but I don't need the heart there.
I think Corey's going to die in this bit.
I'm not, because I still have the heart.
I think that's what the heart bit's for. Excuse me. Whoa. You're getting a little bit better at this, Corey.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't need the jams at all. Like, I don't really... Here, I haven't seen what the new furniture store item is.
Do you know what I think?
Trade me any set. Oh my god. You've already got the hula set in your hands. Like, why do you want...
Another set?
Ooh! Pink and red panda tail.
No, you don't want it.
What is with people and pink? Well, that's just the scariest thing I've seen ever. Ooh, that's actually a pretty good look. Look, guys, they're dead. Mira! I'm evil. Ooh. Wow, so exciting.
Not.
Oh my god, will you load? Oh my god, yes. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
How would that be evil? Look.
that there is just the cutest thing I've ever seen.
That's not evil.
I really want this. Wait, and actually, that might be back in the Halloween party, but I'm going to give it a shot. Here, take my crap for this phantom necklace. I'd really like it because I'd like to make a loop of it.
She says no, it's not my fault.
I know.
She's taking it.
Yeah. I actually think it might be back, but I'm not sure. I don't really care if it is because I don't really care about that crab. Am I done? Okay.
If you get two, then give the one to me.
I don't know if they're back. Here, what time is it? I want to see if the Halloween party's on yet. And it's on in 49 minutes. Right, Leah. Time to make the cutest fox look in the world with that phantom
Necklace.
Guys, after I make this fox look, I think I might end the video because I don't want to go over my time for the video. Oh my god. Why are foxes so cute? Oh my god! Ah! Baby werewolf! Foxes are the cutest animals on earth. I don't care if it's from St. Patrick's Day. Oh my god, yes. This is my Halloween look. Unless I get better things from my head and my tail and my back.
Oh.